This solution works for other DLL errors as well, such as msvcp140.dll or msvcp145.dll. Just follow the same process. First, open your preferred browser and type the specific error, like msvcp140.dll download, in the search box. If you encounter a different version number, simply replace 140 with that number. After pressing enter, open the first link from a trusted site like dllfile.com. I'll also include a direct link in the video description for easy access. Once on the website, scroll down to find download options for both 64-bit and 32-bit system architectures. It's best to download both versions, regardless of your system type, to cover all bases. When the files are downloaded, locate them in your File Explorer and rename each one to avoid confusion. Add 64-bit to the 64-bit file name and 32-bit to the other. This way, you can quickly identify them for the next steps. Alright, now that we have both files, let's drag and drop them to the desktop for easier access. Once that's done, we can close the Downloads folder. Now, with both the 64-bit and 32-bit files ready, we need to place each file in the correct system folder. Start by opening File Explorer again. On the left-hand side, select this PC or local disk C. Then open the Windows folder. Inside the Windows folder, look for System32. Scroll down until you find it, then open System32. Here's where we'll move the 64-bit DLL file. To make this easy, arrange the folders side by side so we can drag and drop the 64-bit msvcp140.dll file directly into the System32 folder. If prompted, confirm by clicking Continue or replace the file in the destination. After moving the 64-bit file, you can close this folder. Next, go back to File Explorer and look for SY's.ww64. This is where we'll place the 32-bit DLL file. Open SY's.ww64 and again arrange the folders side by side. Open the 32-bit folder, find the msvcp140.dll file, and drag it into SY's.ww64. Confirm any prompts you receive, and then close all folders. Now, let's ensure Microsoft Visual C++ is properly installed on your computer. In the Windows search bar, Windows 10 or 11, type Appwiz.cpl and press Enter to open Programs and Features. In this list, locate Microsoft Visual C++. Right-click on it, select Change, then click Repair. Confirm by selecting Yes and wait for the repair process to finish. If you see multiple versions of Microsoft Visual C++, repeat the repair process for each one. If prompted, restart your computer. In case you don't see Microsoft Visual C++ in the list, you'll need to download it. Open your browser, and in a new tab, search for Microsoft Visual C++ download. You can find links in the video description for direct access to Microsoft's website. From there, download and install both the x86 and x64 versions. After installation, restart your computer. Now, when you launch any application, such as Microsoft Teams, your msvcp140.dll error should be resolved. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.